Yeah, the general limit to see if it exists, you need to make sure the left and right side exists. To do this, you can use substitution, and if you get a number for both, you're in a good position. Unfortunately, that's not all you have to check. The value for both sides also have to blend. The left and right side limit should be equal, following each other, just like a sequel. But wait, you still got more to know. For the general limit, got more to show. In order for this kind of thing to exist, both side graphs also have to meet and coexist. What does that mean? It means it's also continuous. Unless you have a pod, then it's also conclusive.
So you got the basic rules and formulas, differentiate. Good job, kid. Look like Noella, give a cookie plate, and now you trying to find the slope and tangent line. Well, listen well, kid, cause this is about to rhyme. Get the limit of a graph as x approaches 0. Now what you about to do is gonna be real simple. Get the function f of x and then add h, then subtract f of x all under h. You're gonna get a value, and if you don't, that f prime of x is just not gonna float. Well, what exactly is h? I guess I had to explain that. When you're looking at a graph, it's the distance between the x's, and that's all that.
Yeah, they showing on your test, and then you write down right. Got the product, got the quotient, got the chain rules, mate. Got this function times a function, what's that y prime like? U prime v plus v prime u when those products collide. Now just imagining the quotients, right? Don't sweat your moves, yeah, you ought to approve. And if Noel gon' try to make you lose, you better try your hardest and take that product rule. Yeah, you gon' switch the sign on them, dividing by the v squared on them, earn. Yeah, chain rules next, we got two curves, brother, one inside the other, brother. I'ma get this college credit 5. And u prime times f prime of u, yeah, we got this, Noel.
Alright, interpreting this stuff can be tough. I know it's okay, sit back, I'll explain why we're stealing this beat from Corday. Got the first derivative when negative f's going down. When it's positive f's climbing, but it can still look like a frown. Enter f double prime, function is defined as a slope of a slope. When it's positive, f can be decreasing, but at a hope. Cause give f double prime a little time and it's easy to see. Positives up, negatives down, you find the concavity. That AP had me stressing some questions they really hit. Sat there thinking for a while, really thought I didn't know. Nah, I ain't about to say no expletives right now. I'm just trying to find the derivatives. Critical numbers when f prime is 0 or fails to exist. Hit up a test, it should be easy, they really all just list. Hope it checks out, wish for the best, to go weed out. Local extremes can find it right here, but it's easy, there's truly no reason to fear. To find a BOI, just reference a second derivative. Changing concavity, it's really quite imperative. You catch a BOI, mins and maxes when the test will through. Talked enough, now let's wrap up with the rest of the crew.
I bet you're thinking that your calculus knowledge is limited, so I can tell you how to find some inputs to derivatives. Got an x, gotta differentiate it like normal. How the y is second function with x internal. You need to use a chain rule of that y prime. If you don't, consider that a war crime. 0 in the grade book in no time. You gon' fail at the market in 09. A related rates is not much different. Gonna explain it, so you better be considerate. Draw a picture of the problem at hand, to make a list of all the given quantities if you can. Next, relate the variables to a formula. Differentiate respective timing doing calculus. Plugging in known, solve for the unknown quantity. Do this or you're gonna pass Calculus BC. Now, how the heck do I do this? That demonstration can be easy, but can also give you a lot of frustration. First, you need to find yourself a representative equation. Find domain, you just gave yourself a very good foundation. Yo, you're not done, you need a min and max to find. Use the candidates for second derivative test, all are fine. That's all. Hope that everyone's brains are feeling enriched, but just remember that distributive property is a bitch.